Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to put your VSCO link in your Instagram bio. Watch till the end to properly understand this tutorial. VSCO is a photo editing and photography website aimed primarily at professionals. As a result, compared to the user experience of other photo platforms such as Instagram, the VSCO app experience receives less social media attention. However, there is a lot of overlap in both sites' user bases, which is understandable. As with Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, and Instagram, having a mechanism to integrate the two sides for posting and sharing isn't an uncommon request. It's just that it's no longer possible, at least not with a platform-specific tool. There is, however, a workaround if you want to share your professional quality picture work with a larger social media audience. Integrating VSCO on Instagram through your personal profile is the best way to do so. This is how you can do it. Open the VSCO app. Tap on the smiley face icon at the bottom of the screen. Under your username, tap the word Share. Tap on any Notes app. Your VSCO profile link will automatically be pasted. Copy the link. Now open Instagram. Go to your profile, tap on Edit Profile, tap on the website option and paste the copied link. Tap on Check. Tap on the VSCO link to check if it works or not. We can see that it works. This is how you can add your VSCO link in your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.